Hi, I am Aisha from CRES. Today I'm going to show you a demo for the iDoc approval. Here's, as you can see, there is an example of the scenario for the internal memo. I created here two rules, which is a requester. I'm using myself, Aisha, and the second one is approval one. I put it as a demo one. For the requester, is it for the user submitting the memo with supporting documents. Meanwhile, the approval one will review the memo or supporting documents, which is for the final approval. Next, we move to the iDoc approval. Basically, in iDoc approval, you will find an e-form inside there. So in e-form, you will see the My Task, Request e-form, Request status, and Quick status. Next, we move to the category, which is the category memorandum. And then under the subcategory, we have the type. Okay, first we choose the memorandum and the category. Next, memo for agreements, which is under the type. After that, we move to the company applied for. So you can choose, basically there's a few of company listed. So you can choose your company, which is for the requester to request, Mitsubishi Motors. Okay, when you choose the category memorandum, there's a template. You need to click here for the document. Okay, you open the file. Once you open the file, will appear like this, a memo, which is a form for you to fill. And after you fill in everything, so you need to save. When you save, it will be like this. Okay, I show you the one that already completed. So you have to key in everything inside here until down here. Okay, once you save, go back to the page. You have to key in the subject. After that, we click the upload template. Once we click the upload template, then it will bring you to another page. So here, there's an attached documents. You need to attach documents by clicking the choose file. Okay, just now you already fill in the form. So you click the form, you choose the form that you completed, and we click the add here. Once you submit the form, it will appear the document uploaded successfully. Okay, if let's say you have a supporting document, then you can add more files here and then click the same thing, add here, and then it will download, as you can see. After that, the final process is you can submit the request. Once you submit request, so it will go to the requester email, which is myself, Aisha. So you can check the email here. Okay, once you submit the request, you can check the status by clicking the request status. As you can see, this is the one that I submitted just now, memo for lease agreement. So for the status is approval stage, which is need for the approval from the approver, which is demo one just now. So there's a no specific delivery date. Next, we move to the requester email. Because once the requester submit the form, then that person will receive an email, which is will appear here pending approval. Okay, basically, here we receive this kind of email, which is a pending approval subject. So, I'm sorry, wait. Basically, we receive this kind of email. So, the company applied just now is Mitsubishi Motors, and the category is memorandum. And stated here, you can preview the link, the document that you have requested just now. Okay, see here. Requested, we received the email. Number 8 just now, seem like I submitted. Next, we move to the approver. For the approver, I choose, I put it in demo 1. So this is number 8. The request to send the document. So the demo 1, I received I am as a approver. So I received the document memo for this agreement, still pending approval, need approval from myself. So I can click here, action. And go to the edit item for me to approve or reject, because in this email there's two choices which for me to approve or reject it, or maybe if rejected I can state it my reason here, or maybe approval, so I can state it here. So I click approve. Once approved, we go to the next approver, which is demo 2. Okay, you can check here your status. Okay, so you can see it's still under the approval stages. Okay, now you can see for the approval too, I will receive this kind of email for me to approve. So the status is pending approval. And the last approval is demo 1. So I need to click the same, it's the same process with the demo 1. And I do the same thing, edit item, and go to the approve. Okay, so demo 2 approve the document, and we go back to here. Okay, as you can see here, the request ID number 8 show the status is approved, means that all the documents and the process is already done. All right, that's all for the iDoc approval. Thank you.